How to complete the new student enrollment forms using the PowerSchool mobile app. Before you begin, there are a few things you will need. Your account username and password, which may be a temporary password that needs to be reset. Both of those will be provided by your student school. And of course, you will need a smartphone, either an iPhone or an Android phone. Begin by going to the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, click on the Search button and enter PowerSchool. On the results page, click the Install button to install the app onto your mobile device. Once the app has installed, click the Open button. You decide whether you want PowerSchool to send you notifications or not. Either allow or don't allow. Enter the district code, which is PBWX, and select Continue. On the sign-in page, enter the username and password you have been provided with. On the account dashboard, at the bottom of the screen, click the More button. On the More options, click the Forms menu. On the Forms menu, click the Forms Group option to select the enrollment group. On the Enrollments form page, you will see all of the forms that make up the new student enrollment packet. Scroll down to see all of the forms that are available. The status of any of the forms is always indicated on the right side of the screen. To enter a form, simply click the name of that form. Fields that are required on any of the forms will be indicated by a red asterisk. When you have completed filling in all of the elements of a form, you can hit the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Some forms allow you to save for later. When you want to go back to the Forms page, click the More button at the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the school office or send an email to enrollment@leonagroupmw.com.